Well, yeah, I guess you're not going to take a beer outside today, Anna, even though it is a Friday, but certainly going to want to stay cozy and comfy inside.
Yeah.
It's January after all, so bundle up.
I feel like if you're sitting outside, and you wanted to have a beer outside, as long as those heaters are really close
That's
to
true.
you.
Kind of like to the point where they're like burning, they're
Yeah,
singeing
they're almost
your coat.
burning your arms. Yeah, you could be outside, but other than that, it's probably going to be a little too cold to sit outside. But it is going to be dry. It's going to be a good day. If you have multiple layers on, you could definitely put on your jacket, take a walk today. But we do have a warm up ahead. So if you want to wait until it's a little warmer, we do have those warmer temperatures on the way for you. We also have a few rain chances on the way as well. Taking a look outside, 31 degrees there in Newport and lots of sunshine. You can see the blue sky there, which is a different picture than we saw over the last couple of days here. 23 degrees is what it feels like. 30 in Cincinnati, feeling more like 25. So definitely a cold day ahead. And as we move into the afternoon, we'll keep the sunshine and those dry conditions, but we'll also see those temperatures warm into the mid 30s, upper 30s there by the afternoon. But again, going to be pretty dry, so not a terrible day to get outside. It's just going to be a little cold. We also have a breeze that's coming from the north that's drawing in some of these colder temperatures into the area and making it feel a little bit colder outside. So we'll continue to have that through the weekend. So if you're wondering what you need for the rest of the day today and going through the weekend, you're not going to need any of this winter gear. You're mostly just going to need a jacket or a hoodie heading out the door. Not going to need that umbrella, at least not for the next couple of days. We're going to stay cold for the weekend, but then we start to warm up here as we get into Monday, Tuesday. You can see the 50s come back into the forecast. But this is also when those rain chances start to kick back up. And this is when you're going to need to pull out that umbrella. So we're going to be dry through the weekend going into the beginning of the week. Tuesday is that first rain chance. It's going to be very slim. Our next big rain chance won't be until Thursday. So we can track that out for you here. This is going into your Sunday. You'll see some clouds build in. We kind of get sandwiched here by some snow on the top, some rain below us. And then as we move into Tuesday evening, that's when that first round of rain comes in. It's going to be very scattered and very light in nature. And it's going to be late Tuesday going into early Wednesday. Now the next big rainmaker again, it's not going to be until Thursday evening. You can see the definite heavier rain is expected going into your Thursday. And again, that's when you're going to have to pull out that umbrella, that rain jacket. But for now, we're staying dry. We're staying cold as well. Continuing through the weekend, we'll see more sunshine, but we're still going to be pretty chilly. You're going to need to wear a couple layers. Then as we move into Monday, things start to warm up, but then we see that rain chance come back into the forecast as well.